3000. Check.
Altimeters and instruments crossed.
You got
Auto door the bike coming off.
Check. $1,000.
Check.
Dallas 514 Tower, wind 2704, clear to land, runway 36 shortened.
Clear to land, runway 36 short, Dallas 514.
And stable.
Check.
Approaching 3-6.
Check.
Top is holding vertical.
Let's see, ground rotor.
500.
100 above.
Continue.
Minimums.
Now this side. I get it. Yes, yeah.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Nice. Speed brake up. Reversers normal. On Quebec. Coming up. 60 knots. Auto brake disarm.
Check.
Top 2 and Alpha on the corner.